Ekenekwa m gị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị biko na o nwere ihe m chọrọ ekwu. Please, even if I have to my mix here with English, because there is this agenda that is going on right now that oblona, if an end or correction is not being put to it now, in the next 20 to 30 years to come, men will no longer be regarded as anything in the society. Men will no longer be regarded as anything in the society. Now, a lot of women yesterday being Father's Day, a lot of women Jiakaha destroyed the image of men in our society. A lot of women, this is a deliberate action. This is a deliberate act in order to make sure that there is nothing like the existence of men in the society, despite the fact that there is appearance of men, but their existence is an agenda from the pit of hell to make sure that will be championing every agenda regarding the fact that Nwoke is still alive in the society. Don't get me wrong. Let me finish. Yesterday being Father's Day, a lot of women were busy celebrating single mothers. Forgetting the fact that you being a single mother is a sign. Not forgetting that some were mistakes. Some beginning mistakes that made you to become a single mother. Some way kabulombe adapo hanike mother for her forcefully entry. However, mutanwa they did not bargain for. Some bulokwana their ignorance. Some bolo their ignorance. Those who are answerable by ignorance, they tend na ke wear her to their bone because na ane celebrate men only wear her to their bone. That was why even some people do now. They have a lot to. They have teachings going on this social media. They were busy waging this war, waging this fight. Only helping push this agenda against men in the society. Father's Day yesterday, but women decide to turn the scenario around. In terms of Abahana, anything that has to do with fathers, they say they can only wish it to a responsible father. Forgetting the fact that there are also so many irresponsible women in our society, irresponsible mothers in our society. Oh, video trend the last week, a woman the husband Jonathan ayad obona nwanya anọrọ ya. Okpoche uzo si mala ebe la yesterday night gabadia. O nwanyị kpochiri obele nwa ọ mụta n'obodo oyibo, kpochi obele nwa wee jebe club for days. Obele nwa begidebe ụlọ CCTV camera reveal begide ma mecha nwụọ. That woman emecha sentence ya mahụ ihe nyana the court ya jetele eje. Ọrụ nwanyị mekwa that kind of thing. But a lot of women, especially our Nigerian women today, happy fathers to every good, responsible father. What will make you not to even celebrate a man? Forget about the fact being responsible or irresponsible. You as a single mother may celebrate. You have been working hard, taking care of children on your daughter Wagime. What happened? How did you get there? Because Abu Nietzsche from Bible saying, he that findeth a wife. He that findeth a wife. You tell all your Bible. So Bible did not lie when they were saying he that findeth a wife. So there's a position one there's a level of maturity, there's a level of mindset, there's a level of self-discipline, there's a level of pain, knowledge, wisdom that will make her a wife. Bible did not say he that findeth a woman. Bible did not say he that findeth a girlfriend, but he that findeth a wife. So you now going into a man's house thinking, I'm a wife. Deep down in you, you know that when a man starts dealing with you, when a man starts living with you, when you start living with a man, the man be better check if only the characteristics of being a mother. The man will have no chance than to send you away, because you are displaying an attitude that does not match to the level of what you want. Men are logical beings. Men think. Men are the after all said and done at that bedroom, what next? What else are you offering? Once that kind of thing be like this, tomorrow you'll be pushing agenda against men. Anything that has to do with fathers, anything that has to do with men, celebrating men in the society, you will make sure you turn it around. You celebrate women. A lot of you are happy. Your biological parents, your biological father, you will not celebrate him. You celebrate where somebody get contract. You celebrate where a man get contract. You celebrate where your pastor. You celebrate where your spiritualist. You celebrate where your dibia. You celebrate where your men friends. It happens here now. You as a married woman, the first person you can celebrate on Father's Day, bumpage. After that, digi. After digi, after that, nege. So that show men that okay, they are valuable. A lot of you happen now. I want shortcoming in school now. I say, go and meet your daddy for your school fees. Go and meet your daddy for school fees. Man, where your daddy provide zega. Maybe by chance or by other business commitment, the man will not be there. That school fees. I have paid your school fees. I have paid your school fees. That baby was hit. O man with the mindset ijeje can empire. O man with the mindset okay, I compare with the lega. You will not say it to his or her hearing. That child will that mindset ne grow. So when see her man, you know, my mother has been there for me. Why can't you women also tell your children the truth now? This man did this, this man did that. Just that no weakness, which everybody do. Everybody has weakness, including you that is listening to me. Everybody with weakness. Man, a lot of you are better on one scenario around. I felt disappointed. Even ndị nwana nche na hana mezibute ihe na social media. Ndị nwana nche na hana dash information that will yield fruit in the life of people. Because all an agenda to make sure that men are not celebrated. Only hana nke ụmụ nwoke, I say we only celebrate responsible men. It's if there are so many irresponsible mothers in our society. Or some women na jakwe nwa ha na kpotalo mpa ụmụazị ha nwa nwaanyị nwoke yeni di na ha akwụkwọ ụgwọ. All of these some mothers na eme. Man, if people don't want to go to that area, I don't want to talk about it. Almost when you kunite ya kita, I say, he doesn't like women. Oh, you want to fight against women. But why can't you guys also take away sentiment aside? A woman will blame a man for her mistakes. A woman will blame a man for the pain also. I have never seen a woman take responsibility for a failed marriage, a failed relationship. One you had the wrong boss, or but to blame more girl for not giving her money on time. Because nobody on illegal on time or man by the wrong boss. Man is always at the receiving end of your mistakes, of your shortcomings. Learn to pass the right message in our society so that children will not grow up tomorrow. They will begin to lack the love of parenting. Bible says, can the two work together except if they agree? Can the two work together? Bible says, we say on this course that a man have to leave his father and mother to be joined with his wife. First of all, also he that findeth a wife, have it at the back of your mind now. If you are not a wife, you will not be found. Even now, are you willing to be a wife? Are you already a wife? You must be a wife to be found. So many of you are still chicks. So many of you are still girlfriend. Okay, olugo settle down. Or what is there a girlfriend instead of a wife? And after 2 years, 1 year, second marriage, because no chota is not a wife. Afubem woke monwani just to crucify her. A man can never take his money, go and marry a woman or it is not possible. Check deep down, that woman was never a wife when the man found her. Learn to pass the right message in the society. Men are feeling the heat. People are most of these girls, most of these our ladies, cheerful about men's celebration. Obele has said my mommy was there, my mommy was this, my mommy was that. But who was there for that your mommy in Bomota again? Who was there for that your mommy? Is in anywhere that? Is in anywhere that? Let's change this narrative in our personal society, because this will be a very big disaster tomorrow. Because now, as it's going now, a lot of women are beginning to meet men without having that parenting figure in the life of that child. So what I can tell you is, or believe in that woman mortally all and all, because we need build a good different mindset in the life of these children. Ikuchakwa no, ya hama, ya happen.